Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to block task manager without any software. Okay, so first click to start, type run. Okay, open, then type registry, regidit, then click on OK, then click yes for the administrator access. So this is registry. So in the computer, local current user, extract, then go to software. This is extract icon. Okay, software, and this is also you can see, and I will share on the screen so easy to find. Then Microsoft. Okay, then find out Windows. Windows, then current version, then policies, then policy, right click, new, click key, then type system as capital system. Okay, then again right click on system. If system folder is not there, so you have to create, otherwise it created then already there in your system. So right click, new, DWORD 32-bit value, click. After it you can see it on this side, then type disable task manager. Okay, so D capital, task T capital or M capital, this is mandatory, otherwise it will not be applied on your system. Okay, then double click, otherwise you select the right click to modify, and then value is 1. Okay, and then click to OK, and then restart your system, because restart is very mandatory in this case. And you can also take the backup. Okay, yeah. So, and how to enable, so link in description, so you can see and then enable it.